Good morning to all. How are you? I hope all are safe at home. In the previous class, what we are discussing? Our third block, adding 4-digit numbers. How we add the 4-digit numbers? Using expanded form and adding by column method. Are you remember? Okay. Then we are doing one problem. Are you remember 3127 plus and 2180. In workbook one problem we are doing 3127 plus 2180 using expanded form. Are you remember how you add these numbers? Most of them directly add the digits and some of them expand and add it. We will do how to do the problem here. Okay. How we expand 3127? 3127. How we expand? 3000 plus 100 plus then next 20 plus what is next 7. Very good. How we expand 3127? 3000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 7. The next number, second number, what is? 2180. 2180. How we expand to 2180? First, yes, very good, 2000. Then 100. Then 2000 plus 100 plus 80 plus 0. 2180 we can expand it. 2000 plus 100 plus 80 plus 0. Okay. Then we add these two numbers using expanded form. In ones place, you look here, 7 and 0. What is the value of 7 plus 0? Here addition is there, so adding. 7 plus 0, what is that? Very good, 7. So we are writing 7 here. We are writing 7 here. Then 20 plus 80. What is the value of 20 plus 80? Very good, 100. So you look here, in tens place only 2 digits. 100, how many digits are there? 3 digits. In tens place only needed the 2 digits. So 100, you look here, 100, how many digits here? 1, 2, 3. So we want to write here 2 digits only. From the right side, we are writing 2 digits. 0. Then 1 is remaining. Here we are writing 2 zeros here. Then 1 is remaining. That 1 in the place of 100. So we want to add here 100. This one in the place of 100. So we want to add in the place here 100, not 1 only. Okay. Then we are adding this 2. 100 plus 100. What is the value of 100 plus 100? 200. Then here 100 is there. 200 plus 100. What is the value? 300. Then 1000 place. 1000 place 3000 plus 2000. What is the value of 3,000 plus 2,000. Anyone can say? Very good. 5,000. So what is the value here? 5,000. So after adding we will get 5,000 plus 300 plus 0 plus 7. This is the expanded form of our answer. What is the standard form of our answer? Say loudly. What is the standard form of this answer? 5,307. How many of them got this answer? 5,307. How many of them got this answer? Very good. So those who are not get this answer, you correct your answer. Same way, second problem also you are doing expanded form and find the answer. Okay. Then look here. Here what carry is there? Carry. We are discussing in the previous class without regrouping. Without regrouping means there is no carry. Today we are discussing, we are adding, we will get carry. Direct numbers we say that adding column method with regrouping. Here carry is there, so we say that with regrouping. What is our topic? Today's topic is adding using column method with regrouping. Okay. Adding by column method adding by column method with regrouping. With regrouping. With regrouping means when we are adding time we will get carry. Okay. Then we will say this is not a column method. This is expanded form. We can make this a column method. How we? Very good. We are drawing 4 columns. We want to mention which place is the no need. We know that from the right side is ones place, second column is tens, then third 100, fourth 1000. Very good. And remember, right side, first right side is ones, second tens, third 100, fourth 1000. And remember, in the first chapter we are studying using place value chart. So we are place these numbers in ones place, which digit? 7. So we are writing 7 here. Then tens place 2. Tens place is 2. 20 means 2. Then 100 means 100 place digit is 1. So we are writing 100. 1 in the hundreds place. And 1000 place 3. Digit is 3. Then we want to add the second number. We want to add the second number. Ones place is 0. Tens place 8. 100 place 1. 1000 place 2. Then add it. 7 plus 0, 7. 2 plus 8. What is the value of 2 plus 8? 10. Okay. 10 is the 10 is 2-digit numbers. So we want to write 10 here? No. Which digit we are writing here? What? Say loudly. 3. Yes, very good. 0. We are writing 0 here. Okay. Then, which digit is remaining there? We are writing 0. Then which digit is remaining there? 1. 1 is remaining there. That is the carry number. 1 is the carry number. Okay. Then 1 plus 1. What's the value of 1 plus 1? 3. No. What is the value of 1 plus 1? What? 2. Very good. 2 is 1 plus 1 is 2. Then we are writing 2 here. No. We have one carry is there. 2. Then that carry also we want to add. 2 plus 1. What is the value of 2 plus 1? 3. So, here 3. Then any carry? No. Then 3 plus 2. What is the value of 3 plus 2? 3, 4, 5. What is the value of 3 plus 2? 5. So, what is the answer here? 5307. Same answer. Expanded form. Using expanded form and using column method, we will get same answer. Okay. Then, today we are discussing adding by column method with regrouping. Okay. We will do another problem. Are you ready? Okay. Add 5342, 5342 and 1764. 1764. We want to add 5342 and 1764. You know how to add using expanded form? Are you remember? Yes. Today we are using only column method. Okay. Today we are discussing column method. By column method. First what we want to do? First what we do? Draw column. How many columns if you want to draw? Very good. Here 4 digits, so 4 columns we needed. Okay. Are you ready to draw column? Okay, draw the column. First, second, third and fourth. Then, after drawing column, what we do? We are placing the digits in the column. Which digits we want to write? Very good. First numbers digit first we are arranging. What is the first number here? 5342. Okay. Then in the right side first column, which digit we want to place it? Ones place digit. Ones place digit is here 2. So we want to write 2 in the right side first number. We are writing 2 in the right side first column. Then second, tens place digit. What is the tens place digit? Yes, 4. So we want to place the 4 in the second. Okay, second. Then next 3. Where we place 3? Third. Okay. Then where we place 3? 3 in the 100 place. The last digit 5. 5 in the place of 1000. So where we place fourth column. Okay. Then next what we do? You know that in the previous class what we are doing? Next second numbers digits we are placing the same way. Okay, what is the second number here? 1764. 1764. So where we write 4? Just below the 2. The first column just below the 2 we are writing 4. Replace it. Then second digit 6. Where we place? Just below 4. Then 7. Where we place 7? Just below 3. Then 1000 places 1. Where we place 1? Very good. Just below 5. Okay. Then which operation we want to do? Add. Adding these two numbers. So we want to add these two numbers. Okay. Are you ready to add? Then 2 plus 4. What's the value of 2 plus 4? Say loudly. Why you silently say? Say loudly. What is the value of 2 plus 4? Very good. 4, 5, 6. What is the value of 2 plus 4? 6. Okay, very good. We are writing 6 here. Then, next is 6 plus 4. 6. What is the value of 6 plus 4? 7, 8, 9, 10. 6. Then 4 fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the value? Very good. 10. So we want to write 10 completely here. 2 digit numbers are there. You want to write all 10 here? No. What we are writing here? Right side the digit. Which is the right side digit? Or ones place digit? 0. So we are writing 0 here. 1 is carry. 1 is carry. In the tens, we are getting, after adding 6 and 4, we will get 10. In tens, have 2 digit numbers. We are writing only 1 digit number here. Remaining digit is carry. Which digit we want to write here? Ones place digit. Right side first number. Right side first digit is 0. So we want to write 0 here. Then carry 1. Okay. Carry 1. Then what we do next? Yes, we want to add these 2 digits. Which are the digits are there? 3 and 7. 3 and 7. What is the value of after adding 3 and 7? 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the answer. You want to write 0 here and 1 carry? No, we have 1 carry is there. We have 1 carry is there. Are you remember? We are writing 1 carry is here. So what we do? This 10 plus this carry. 10 plus this carry. What is the value of 10 plus 1? 11. So 11 is there. Okay, 11. We are writing 11 here? No, only 1 digit we are writing here. Remaining digit we are placed as a carry. So which digit we want to write here? Right side first number, 1's place digit. Right side, sorry, 1's place digit is 1. 1. So we are writing 1 here and remaining this one. This one we are writing here. this one as a carry. Okay. In tens place digit as a carry and ones place digit we are writing as an answer. So here 1. What is the carry here? Okay. Then what we do next? We want to add a 1000 place digit. What are the digits in 1000 place? 5 and 1. Then 5 plus 1. What is the value of 5 plus 1? 6. Okay, 6. Then we are writing 6 here. No, we have one carry is there. We have one carry is there. 6 plus 1. What is the value of 6 plus 1? Say loudly. 6 plus 1? 7. So, then after adding 5342 and 1764. 5342 and 1764. What is the answer? 7106. 7106. Okay. You need one more problem? Okay, from your textbook we will do. Mega solved 461 plus 547. Mega solved 461 plus 547 as shown here. Mega solved 461 plus 547 as shown here. Okay, I will draw here. Here 3 digits only, so 3 columns is enough. Okay. Mega solved 461 plus 547 as shown. Check if she solved the problem correctly or not. If not, solve it correctly. Here, your textbook, this is a workbook problem. Adding column method. She is adding the column method 461 plus 547. She is adding this like 4, 6, 1. Ones place is 1, tens place is 6, 100 place is 4, ones place is 7, tens place is 4 and 100 place is 5. But she is unknowingly write this 4 here. Okay. Then they are adding these digits. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7, 8. She is writing 8 here. Then 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, 10. She is writing here 10. Then 4 plus 4, 8. Okay. They will ask, this operation is correct or not? What is wrong here? You say, what is wrong here? you are find out. Very good. Here 100 place is 5. Is it? Here second number 100 place is 5, but she is writing 4. That first number's 100 place digit. Is it? Are you find that mistake? Here we are writing first digit. First number, first digit in ones place. 1. Second 6 here, 4 here. Then second digit we want to place in 7 just below 1. She is writing correct. Then next number 4. Next digit is 4. She is placing in just below 6. But she is writing instead of 5, she is right here 4. Okay, that is the first wrong. So we are doing the correct numbers here, correct places. Okay, can I write here? You also write down. First digit is 1, then 6, then 4. Here there is no change. Second number 7, then second 4. 4 where we want to place just below 6. Then 5. She is writing here 4. Instead of 4, we want to write here correct number is 5. So we correct 1 wrong. Then any wrong is here. We'll check it. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7. 8. So this is correct. 6 plus 4. 10. We are writing 10 all digits here. No, only ones place digit here. Then tens place digit we want to write here as a carry. I remember the previous problem we are discussing. So this is wrong here. Okay. Then we will check it. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7? 8. Very good. Then 6 plus 4? 10. In 10, we are writing 0 here, 1 as a carry. Then, here she is adding 4 plus 4. But we want to add 4 plus 5. What is the value of 4 plus 5? 9. After 5, we are taking 4 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the value of 4 plus 5? 9. Then 1 carry is there. What is that? 10. Sorry. 1 carry is there 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. What is the value here? We are writing 10, 0 here, 1 in the, here there is no number. So no write the carry here. This place we are placing. Okay, what is the value? 1008. Okay, she get 8108. Which are the wrongs here? Okay, you say what are the wrongs here? First, she is placing the second 100 place digit. It's wrongly. That place we want to place 5, she is writing 4. Then, she is adding 10 place digits. 6 plus 4, 10. She is complete answer she is writing here. But we know that if the answer become 2-digit number, we are placing 1 digit first. Then 10th place digit become carry. Okay. Then we are adding these 2 numbers. She is correctly added. 4 plus 4, 8. But we needed to add 4 plus 5. Okay, then 1 carries the 10. Okay. Then today we are discussing adding by column method with regrouping. With regrouping means carry numbers are there. After adding we will get 1 carry. Okay. Then in the previous up to this class we are discussing how to add using expanded form, using column method without regrouping. Today we are discussing adding by column method with regrouping. Okay. Anyone have doubt for these 3 topics? If you have any doubt, you please call me. Okay. Then we will do more problems later. Okay, thank you.